Alright, here's another one that I found at a thrift store in Council Bluffs, Iowa a couple months back. I mean, I found it was weird. I mean, at first I thought it was another Windmere, which we can always use another Windmere. But when I saw this was badged Panasonic, and for the record, the little cover, protective cover film is flaking off. I'll take that off eventually, but yeah. It made me wonder, I mean, I always thought that Lasko made Panasonics. Made fans for Panasonic, because, because we call them Lasko Sonics. But this one, I don't know if it's a Windsonic or a Pana-mere. I mean, we're going to have a meeting on this. But, yeah, that was left over from a yard sale. I think I paid like $4.98. I mean, it was about on average. Once again, upside down. Thanks. Unfortunately, it's made in China, so it's a model F-9250. But yeah, we all know it's made by Windmere or Paragon Industries or whatever, so. Forgot to show the side. And the back. And the other side. So what we're going to do, we're going to plug it up, we're going to give it a go. Okay, and just like most Windmeres, it's probably going to take forever to get up to speed, so here's high. It's going to need some oil. Yeah, it's definitely going to need some oil. Why do people not want to oil their fans? I mean, you do an oil change on your car. Yep. Going to need some oil. Alright, that's going to do it for this video of this Windmere made Panasonic model F-9250, not 9200 like I originally thought I said, but yeah, 9250, and right there in case you don't believe me. But yeah, $4.98 at the thrift store in Council Bluffs, Iowa. And apparently, like I said, your big metropolitan areas are ripe for fan finds. Honestly, I found more fans in these last few months that I've had in the last few years over there. And that's kind of sad, really, don't you think? But sooner or later it's just going to dry up and I'll be back to square one. But that's for another time, for another reason, or whatever. So next time, wherever it is, I'm Eskie. Thanks for watching.